Good morning and welcome to Wellsaw. Today we're going to review the famous Model 1016 metal cutting bandsaw. This model has been in production since 1926 and we're proud of it. This is basically a 10-inch capacity by 16-inch capacity with a 1-inch blade. It has a 2-horse motor and 4 band speeds. The band speeds are controlled with the 4 steps on the pulley. The band tension is controlled by the right tension device, which is calibrated here at the factory. All the operator does is he puts on his new blade and tightens this T-handle until it comes to an abrupt stop, so there's no need for him to worry about adjustment. The saw head, the weight of the saw head is controlled by the counterbalance spring. The saw head is held up with a positive ratchet, which is controlled by this knob out here. The vise is quick acting and is tightened with the hand wheel. The saw has precision ground bed and vise jaws. It comes standard with the stock stop for repeated cuts. The saw has a heavy cast beam, cast iron blade guides with spring-loaded carbide inserts and backup rollers. The saw comes standard with a rotary blade brush and 8-gallon flood coolant system. The coolant is pumped to each of the blade guides and it's controlled by this manifold. The weight of the saw head can also be adjusted with the sliding weight to allow the operator to quickly adjust the weight of the saw head in small increments. All the painted materials are powder coated here at the factory. Now, if we look at this side of the machine, we can look at the controls. When the operator raises the saw head, he pulls the knob out to set the ratchet, and this saw does have adjustable hydraulic feed control with this cylinder and this metering valve. The saw control station is here that gives the operator the blade start motor, the stop button, and the coolant on-off switch. All the OSHA guarding is in place. The machine is available in single or 3-phase at no difference in price. And that wraps up the 1016.